Okay, well, start out by you telling me your name.
I'm Darby.
Okay, Darby. How old are you?
42.
Did you think you'd be this handsome when you were going to be 42?
Of course.
What do you think your best attribute is?
My body.
Your body? Let's take a look at that body. Whoa! Looks like you like donuts. Do you like donuts?
I sure do.
Okay, tell me about your family.
They're wonderful.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
4.
4. And, what do you do for a living?
I build expensive boxes.
Just like your dad and your brother.
Yes.
Okay. Show me your teeth. Oh, those are nice. You got stuff in your teeth.
I just had a cupcake.
Oh.
Ran out of donuts.
Oh, you did run out of donuts. Okay. Okay, well, you're a little scruffy, too. Do you like being scruffy?
Yep.
Yep. Does your wife like you scruffy?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. All right. Okay, well, what's your favorite tractor?
I don't know. Big ones.
Big ones. All right. All right, well, thanks for letting me interview you.
Okay, thank you.